Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about pronouns. First, let's see what a pronoun is. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, like the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, instead of saying, Raj is my friend, again and again, we can say, he is my friend. Here, he replaces Raj. Now that we know what a pronoun is, but why we use pronouns? We use pronouns to make our sentences shorter, smoother, and easier to understand. Without pronouns, a sentence can become long and repetitive. For example, instead of saying, Anna likes Anna's bag, because Anna bought Anna's bag, we can say, Anna likes her bag, because she bought it. See how much easier that sounds? Let's see the types of pronouns. Pronouns come in different types. And today we will look at the below 6 major types one by one. First, we have subject pronouns. These tell us who is doing the action. Words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are subject pronouns. For example, she is reading or they are playing. Here, sentences usually start with the subject pronoun. Subject pronouns answer the question, like who is doing the action. Next are object pronouns. These tell us who is receiving the action. Words like me, you, him, her, it, us, and them are object pronouns. For example, she called me or I saw him. A common mistake is saying, he called I. But the correct form is, he called me. Object pronouns answer the question, action to whom or what. Then we have possessive pronouns, which show ownership. Words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their are possessive pronouns. Ask yourself whose it is. For example, this is my pen or that is her bag. Possessive pronouns answer the question, whose is it? Then we move on to reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same person or thing. Words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves are reflexive pronouns. For example, I hurt myself or she cooked for herself. You can remember this by saying I did it myself. Reflexive pronouns answer the question, did the subject do it to itself? Next are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point at something. Words like this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. They answer the question, which one or which ones? If the object is near, we use this or these. If the object is far, we use that or those. For example, this is my book or those are apples. Finally, we have indefinite pronouns. These refer to a person or thing that is not specific. Words like someone, everyone, anyone, nobody, and something are indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns answer the question, who or what, but not exactly known. For example, everyone is here or someone is knocking. Remember, words like everyone and someone are singular. So we use a singular verb, as in everyone is happy. Here is a table to help you remember indefinite pronouns and their number. It clearly shows which indefinite pronouns are singular, which are plural, and which can be both, depending on the situation. Keep this in mind when choosing the verb form. Here are the practice questions from what we studied today. You have 5 seconds to find the answers. Now, here are the answers. If you got them all right, you're on the right track. Keep it up. If you missed something, watch the video again and try once more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.